Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So we have a brand new update for Samsung Notes. So first of all, I will show you how to update your Samsung Notes, and then I will show you what these updates are about. So first you will go into the Galaxy Store. So once you enter into the Galaxy Store, on your top left side you see these three lines. Okay, so just select them, and once you select them you see an option over here, it says updates. Okay, so just select it. Okay, and once you select it you will see an option over here about Samsung Notes update. So I will select this one, I will open it, and then you can see over here it is showing us a new update. So we just select this update option. Okay, so I just select it, so it will take just a few seconds. So guys, Samsung Notes are updated now, so I will open it and I will show you the new features. So the very first feature is about anchor image to text feature. So for example, I will insert some image. So I go over here, insert option, I select image option, and then I open the gallery and I will select some random image, for example like this one, and then I press done. So image is now in my Samsung Notes. Now what I will do is, for example, if I want to write some text over here, so I just select this keyboard option and I write some text. For example, I write here heart. Okay, and then once you select the image you will see an option over here, it says anchor to text. Okay guys, so anchor to text, so I just select it. Okay, so now this image is anchored to the text. So for example, if I go over here and then I press enter, okay, so the image will move with it. Okay guys, so you can see over here, once I press the enter, so the image will move with the text. But before it was not like that. Before only the text will move to down or to some other place, but the image will not move. So this image is now working as a text. For example, if I want to write something over here, okay, so for example I write over here. Okay, now for example, if I want to erase this, okay, so once I select it and then I go back. Okay, you can see over here I'm doing backspace, and then okay, and then you see I press this backspace and it will also remove the image guys, and then I will move, and then you can see the text is also moving. So the image is anchored to the text. So this is really important feature if you are taking your notes, and this will be really helpful. So guys, the next feature is about highlighter. So for example, if I write something over here, okay, and then for example, if I select the highlighter, so if I select the highlighter, before we don't have this highlighter opacity option available, but now we have the highlighter opacity. So you can see over here, this is a new feature. So for example, I select this color and I select the full opacity. Okay, so I will just, you can see over here I'm doing the highlighting. Okay, and then you can see over here it will be like this. And then for example, if I reduce the opacity, okay, like that, and then I will select from here, and then you can see there is a difference. Okay, and then for example, if I decrease it more, so I will highlight this part, and then you can see it is also different. So this is a new feature of the highlighter opacity. Before we don't have this feature, which is really useful because in some other note taking app this feature is there, but in Samsung Notes we don't have this feature before, but now they add it, and it is really helpful. The last feature is the configuration list of frames with the same height. So guys, what they did is, so if I go back, so you will see over here your all notes are with the same heights and they are aligned properly. So they make a neat list of frame with same height. So you can see over here. all your notes are in the same height. Before it was not like that. Before they are in the different sizes, different heights, but now they make it neat, and you can see over here they are properly aligned. So you will see this difference once you update your Samsung Notes. Even the notes that are locked, you can see over here these notes are locked. They also are with the same height. Before it was not like that. Before they are in a different height. So this is the third feature. So guys, this is all for today's video, and I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.